learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Agriculture is the livelihood for many Hakka people. During the autumn rice harvesting season, people celebrate the harvest with the most vivacious opera performances. This traditional play or opera, sometimes called the peace opera or autumn harvest play, is often performed near the end of October and is a way for the people to thank the gods for their blessings on a successful harvest. People also prepare sacrificial offerings to the gods to give thanks. Aside from celebrating the harvest, it's a great way to stay connected with friends and family.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today, I don't know, Leo probably is going to introduce to us another tradition of the Hakka culture. 今天或許
問你，你有沒有看過一種表演形式啊？我們叫做收東西、數東西。
收冬嘛，就是把冬天收起來了。不是哦，
太直接的
哦，那是什麼意思？
收東西哦，就你要想以前的傳統的客家人在耕種嘛，所以他們的平常的工作是很忙的，只有在那個年底收成之後呢，才會比較閒一點。
豐收完了，
對，收成完之後呢，要感謝神明，所以請了戲班來這邊演戲，要給神明看，順便呢自己來看一看，欣賞一下，
了
休閒
解了，
放鬆一下。
其實是豐收完了，要進入冬天的那種感覺。
準備要過冬了。
So this is a very traditional Hakka celebration called 收東戲. And what it literally means, I thought, was to stash away winter, as in the winter has passed, and so therefore we should do something. But no, it actually means harvest. That first word, so, means after a harvest, it's time for them to celebrate with perhaps music, with performances or gatherings.
因为大家平常都很忙，只有到这个时间才会比较有空，所以呢，就顺便把亲朋好友把他找过来，大家一起来聚个餐，联络一下感情，也顺便报个平安。古时候收东西又叫做平安喜，平安喜。
平安喜 Okay, so this traditional celebration also signifies that everyone is safe and sound. 希望大家都平平安安的嘛。那我今年一定要去参加一个收东西好了。
好啊，
听起来很好玩。
那我再邀請你好了。
Please do, okay? Leo will try to invite me to one of these traditional celebrations, again called 收東西.
數東西.
數東西, okay, it's the traditional celebration for the harvest. Harvest, 豐收怎麼說？
豐收.
豐收 and 平安.
平安.
平安, that means have peace, all right? Safe. That does it for today. Let's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.